The world's first active cylinder management system for a 4-cylinder TSI is the new pioneering technology from Volkswagen for dynamic driving fun and low fuel consumption. 2 of the engine cylinders are activated or deactivated based on the engine's momentary power demand. Cylinder deactivation is performed over a speed range of 1400 to 4000 rpm and a load range of 25 to 100 Nm. This reduces combined fuel consumption by 0.4 litres per 100 kilometers in the standard driving cycle. From the outside, the engine with cylinder deactivation differs from the base engine of the same power by its actuators, which are mounted on the cylinder head cover. The 2 camshafts are actuated by the belt drive and the camshaft phasers. The camshafts have longitudinal splines. Mounted on these splines are so-called cam units that have mating longitudinal splines inside. The splines permit axial displacement of the cam units on the intake and exhaust sides of cylinders 2 and 3. These cam units each have 2 cam contours per valve. One cam contour has a continuous circular base. The cam contour controls the valve via a Toller cam follower. The displacement mechanism is set into motion by a double actuator for each cam unit. With a switching time of 11 milliseconds, one pin of the double actuator tracks into a slotted drive, the switching gate that's connected to the cam unit. In the base circle phase, the cam unit is shifted from full stroke to 0 stroke. The valves stay closed, which keeps the combustion chambers closed. At the same time, fuel injection is shut off in cylinders 2 and 3, and they simply move without combustion. Cylinder deactivation is now active. Cylinders 1 and 4 now operate at higher load with lower charge exchange losses and therefore higher overall engine efficiency. This reduces fuel consumption by up to 20% during part load operation in city traffic and the highway, or during motorway driving up to 130 km per hour. When engine load increases, such as during acceleration phases, a similar process re-engages the quiescent cylinders within 1.5 camshaft rotations. The switching operations are absolutely imperceptible to the driver. Volkswagen implements active cylinder management for the first time in high-volume production in a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine.